Hello, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to cover WeakMap. WeakMap. I plan to use 3 videos to cover, and this is the first one. I will just cover what is WeakMap, and I will have another video to cover why is a WeakMap. Okay, why do we need a WeakMap? And the last one is the use case about WeakMap. So now the first video, what is a WeakMap? First, WeakMap is also a collection of key value pairs like the map. But here is the first one. Those key value pairs must be objects. Okay, I will show you later. And the values can be anything. Just the keys must be object. And the WeakMap, one thing is it doesn't create a strong reference to its keys. I will explain in next video. Okay, why WeakMap? I will compare WeakMap with map to you guys. So don't worry about that. This video I just show you how to use WeakMap web APIs. Okay, and an object present as a key in the WeakMap doesn't prevent the object from get collected, and this part I will also cover in next video. So in the WeakMap, we only have the following APIs, which are different from the map. You only have a get, set, delete, and has. You don't have any APIs which can give you all the keys. Okay, that's another difference with map, and we will explain why later. Okay, in next video. So this video I will show you what all the APIs, how to use WeakMap. Okay. Now let me go to our IDE. We use Studio Code. Here I will create another map, another called WeakMap demo.html. Okay, and HTML base 5, and here we can add a script. And let me format this one first. Wait me for a second. Format this. I open it in the browser. Okay, and now I will do here. How to use a WeakMap? It's a class, and we have to use a new keyword like a WeakMap. Okay, equals new keyword WeakMap. And then first I will show you. You cannot when you use set, you cannot use like numbers, like in the map we can use any type as a key, right? But here you cannot use numbers, strings. You cannot use any primitive as the key, something. Okay, and this one is a number. Now let me open in the browser. I will make this one to be split in this window. One is left and one is right. So okay, inspect. You will have an error here. I haven't refresh. You can see here. When we put one which is primitive, you will have invalid values used as a WeakMap key. It must be an object. Let's take a look at string like ABC. Okay, 1, 2, 3 is also fine. I just don't want to confuse you guys like this one. Wrong. And what others? Boolean like a true or false. It also, you must use an object. Okay, suppose we create an object, const person. Okay, equals name is Miss Xing. That's my name. And here you can give a person. Okay, and then when you refresh, you don't have any error because I didn't print it. Okay, if I print this WeakMap, you will have this one, have a object, and which is something. This object is a person. Okay, is this one. And now if I add again, it will check, right? And bala bala, bala bala, okay. And you will be replaced because we're using the same key. Okay, this one is behave the same as what? This one is the same as the bump, right? When we put an object here, because when you put it twice, it's gonna be replaced. And this is the set method. You also have a get method. How to use a get? Dot get, and you have to give the key person. And then it's better I do like this way. WeakMap dot get, and you have to have the key. If you don't have the key, then you cannot get it. Bala bala bala. Okay, and you also can do WeakMap dot has, check the key, and it's true. Okay, and the last one is what's the last one is a delete, right? A delete, yes. And we will do weak. Let's see. Okay, map dot delete. Delete will give you a boolean which indicate it's deleted successful or not successful. It will give a true. But if I do like this way, and I comment this one, okay. Delete. If I do like this way, I just delete. I didn't delete it based on this pointer. I deleted like this way. You will say false. The reason is because if you do like this way, this object and this person point to this object, they are two different objects. So you have to get this reference in order to delete the person inside this WeakMap. By doing like this way, you cannot, because they are different objects. You cannot find it. And let me show you another example. Suppose so far this one give you false. Okay, so far we have WeakMap. Now I do like this way. WeakMap dot set. Here I don't use the point person. I will do like this way. Add the person here, and here I will have one. Okay, do like this way. And in this WeakMap, previously we only have a person, which is bala bala bala, and now we have this one. Even though this object, you see the values are the same, but they are different. They are different object because object I use the reference. Okay. Here you will see here you have two objects. Okay, you have to be clear. You have to understand, and I will explain more in next video. Okay. So here in this video, I show you what is a WeakMap. Okay, a WeakMap is a similar like a map, key value pair to be stored, but it must use the object as a key. And I will explain why in next video. Okay, and WeakMap only has 4 methods: set, get, has, delete. It doesn't have like a map. Map has the dot keys, dot entries, and dot values. It doesn't have. Okay, if you want to know the why, go to next video. And thank you. See you next time. Bye bye.